G'day guys, Coxie's here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to join the Vault Metaverse with your Oculus/Meta VR headset. For this instance, I will be using the Quest 2. So first things first, once again, it is Windows based only. The Oculus app does not support Mac OS, so once again, sorry for those who are Mac only, but you're going to miss out once again. This is also not a free method because we are going to be using a tool called Virtual Desktop. Virtual Desktop allows you to play VR games based on PC. So for example, Steam has a pretty big library of VR games that you can't get on your Quest or Quest 2. So just another thing with Virtual Desktop, if you have a wired version, so for example, I believe the Rift and the Rift S are wired, so you'll need to download it on Steam, but if you have the wireless version, you'll need to download it on the Quest store. The reason why we can't just load up VR chat on the headset and load in like we can with other worlds is because the PLNT Max Nightclub world is not cross-play yet. The Quest 2 runs off of an Android OS, and in order for the PLNT Max team to make it cross-play, they will need to duplicate the world to then build an Android version of it, then upload it to the same content ID as the VR chat PC world. And to be honest, I have no idea when that will happen, because every time they make a change in the world, they will then need to duplicate it and re-upload it every single time. So we might not see a cross-playable world until the PLNT Max Nightclub is complete. So with all that out of the way, let's get into it. What we'll download first is the Oculus App. So this will allow us to connect the VR headset to the PC either wired or wireless, and then we'll be able to utilize Virtual Desktop. Now this is a pretty straightforward install, so I'll just fast forward this process. Okay, so once installed, you'll have a selection of 4 headsets. Obviously I have a Quest 2, but if you have a Quest, a Rift S or a Rift, you can install using any of these 4. So for me personally, I'll be doing it via AirLink. Click continue. Connect your headset. Okay, so what you'll need to do now is go into quick settings. Where it says Quest Link, just click on that. And you should have your device appear on this display. So just click that and click pair. Now it will prompt you to confirm the code on your headset as well as onto your PC. So we'll just double check that. You will confirm. Put your headset back on to continue. And I've been connected to my PC, just like that. Now once you've connected your headset to the PC through the Oculus app, your next step will be to go to the store on your Quest or Quest 2. Search for Virtual Desktop. There it is right there. So once you've purchased and installed Virtual Desktop, you'll then click launch. It'll then tell you that you have no computer found. Make sure your computer is running the Streamer app. So we'll need to follow these steps just here in order to download it on our PC and connect Virtual Desktop on the Oculus to the PC. So let's do that. So as mentioned earlier on in the video, just download the version you need for your headset. So for me, it is the Streamer app because my VR headset is wireless. Open and install. Click yes if prompted. Once again, a simple installation, so next, install. So once Virtual Desktop's open on your PC, click Accounts. And in here, you'll need to input your Oculus's or your Meta Quest's username, which is also displayed in the Virtual Desktop app on the headset. As you can see with the steps provided, on the second step, it says in the app, accept the prompt to allow access or manually enter your Oculus username. And there's mine there. So mine is Coxie's HQ. So on the PC, we'll go back and click Accounts and then enter Coxie's HQ. Hit save. So once you've added your username, go back into your headset, close down Virtual Desktop and relaunch on the headset, and it should automatically connect to the app on your computer. What I'm going to get you to do is just hit the trigger outside of the display, and and you should have a little window that pops down here. Go all the way to the right and hit menu, and within that menu, make sure you're in the games tab on the left hand side, and then VR chat should be down at the bottom where it has Steam games. Now, if you followed my last video on how to actually install VR chat, it's no different with the headset. So what you'll do is go into worlds, and if you're using the exact same Steam account, you'll have it in recents or you'll have it in favorites, like I do there. All we're going to do is hit go, and we'll be loading into the nightclub. And once again, no different to what it was with the non-VR version. You have now successfully loaded in to the Metaverse, but this time we are in VR. Now, before I wrap this video up, I just want to say that this tutorial was actually quite a challenge to make. So if this did help you out, please hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know if you've managed to be able to get it to work in the comments down below. And if you are having issues still after following this tutorial, because I know it's a fairly lengthy process in order to get it all to work, just leave a comment down below and I'll see if I'll be able to help you out. And once again, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, have a good one.